Today, I'll lead everyone to make a small side clip with velvet ribbon. We need 2.5 centimeters wide velvet and then one black alligator clip that is 7 centimeters long and coated with rubber in 3 sections. Now let's start. After we pick up the ribbon, first fold it in half to find its center line. After finding the center line, we apply glue on the center line and then fold both sides and stick them to the center line. After pasting it well, we make pleats. Because the ribbon is relatively narrow, we only need to make 2 folds. After gluing the folds, we fix it with Q-wire. Apply a little glue on the Q-wire, then cut off the excess Q-wire. The remaining 2 ribbons are done in the same way. After making the main bodies of these 3 small single knots, we use 1 centimeter of the same type of velvet ribbon to wrap their waists. First, apply glue on the edge of the ribbon, and then stick it to the middle part of the single knot. We can refer to the Q-wire we wound just now. In this way, a small single knot is done. Now let's wrap the waists for the remaining 2 small bows. After making the 3 small bows, we assemble them onto the clips. We apply glue at the waistline. Press it firmly. For the second one, also apply glue at the waistline, and then stick it diagonally onto the clip. Now, let's stick the 3rd small bow, also stick it diagonally. When sticking, we must press for a while. Make it stick more firmly. The directions of the last 2 small bows are the same, but there is an up and down dislocation. They are slightly offset a little. In this way, a small bow is done.